Hey y'all, so today I'm creating some short butterfly box braids or short curly box braids, and this video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So Sam's Beauty sent me this hair. It is the authentic water wave 12 inch, and they sent me 4 packs of color 1B and 4 packs of color TT30, which is an ombre brown to blonde, or brown, like dark brown to light brown. So we're gonna start out with parting. I'm gonna start in the front today. I already stretched my hair just with hair butter last night. I washed, conditioned, and just did jumbo twists with the hair butter. This time I used the Latch Naturals hair butter because I ran out of mine. I'm gonna be making another batch soon, and this one is gonna be a little different, so stay tuned for that DIY. Again, these clips are so helpful, especially doing braids, because it just holds thick hair into place. So that's the front two, and then there's the back. Now I'm gonna get my Edgewax out and sit it on the side because we're gonna start parting now. Since the hair is short, I'll do 5 rows since I won't be braiding that long. So this is how I do a row. I just start out from the front and then create a row first, twist up the rest and clip it up. Use the Edgewax and then put a clip on it also. And then you're going to put some more Edgewax right here. Now this row, I'm gonna make it into 2 parts. So I'm just gonna split it in half, and then I'm gonna clip up one I'm not working on and start with this one. So it's on this row thing. So I'm gonna try to put my fingers through the middle so that all the hair comes out and doesn't tangle. Okay, so I had to put my hand through just to get the hair out, and now I have it all together like this. Like, I didn't want it to get tangled up. So I have 2 curls, and those straggly ends I'm just gonna cut. Then I'm gonna take the middle of the 2 curls, loop it over top. Now my hair is the 3rd leg of the braid, and the other 2 I'm gonna cross, and then I'm gonna start braiding. And then I'm just gonna take 1 curl and assign it to the middle with my hair so that the braid can end evenly. Then I'm gonna add some Edgewax to it so that my ends are in the braid and not poking out. And I realized I passed my natural hair, so I'm just gonna keep braiding. I'm gonna twirl that part around my finger, and it's gonna end like this. So now let's change the color. Now we're using the brown. Cross over the 2 strands together and then start braiding. Now at my ends, I'm just gonna put 1 curl in the middle and add some Edgewax and then keep braiding. Alright, and then I'm gonna coil this around my finger to make it curly, and I'm gonna cut the straggly end. I like the length. I'm starting to like hairstyles at this length now. You know what, I think I'm gonna keep the color on the bottom. So yeah, so I made another row. Edgewax up, Edgewax down, maybe back here too, because it's in the way. Now I'm gonna make this one too also. Add 1 curl to the middle, Edgewax. So I'm finished braiding. So the brown's down at the bottom and the black is on top. I'm gonna add some things to it. So I'm using hemp thread and I'm gonna use this lavender. So I'm gonna take one strand and just line up just the short end of it with the braid. I'm going to wrap downwards. Okay, so once you're at the end and it's short, you want to fold it like so. Bring the end through that loop. Pull it tight. Do that one more time. Pull it tight as you can. I'm going to try to pull the end of the string through so that it's secure. Okay, so I'm going to do another. Maybe this one's going to be shorter. Create a loop, pull it through the loop, then I'm gonna pull it up through the string, through one of the loops. I pulled it through, but then I left it there so that it wouldn't come out. Well, in the middle of this one, I'm gonna do shorter ones from now on. So now we're gonna loop it, taking the hook, I'm gonna pull it up through like 3 of the loops, and it's gonna stay there. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the loop again and pull it through. I'm gonna do one more on this side. I like these, like the short ones. Okay, so I did 3 and 2. Should I do one more? Maybe this one. I want to add in some curls. So this is what I have left over, brown and black. I'm gonna take the curl and split it in half. I'm gonna add it onto the braid here. And just crochet it on 3 times. Okay, so I added curls and I'm loving the look. I'm loving it. I wish I used all black though. But yeah, so I kept the brown on the bottom. It looks so pretty. I love them. I love them. The hair is soft. It did get a little tangled when I had to pull it apart, but other than that, it looks really nice. I love the style. I love it to the side. I think this came out super cute. Thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.